What's up? My name is Doug, the Bearded Outdoorsman. Welcome to another video. If you enjoy beard product reviews, gear reviews, EDC videos, then you have definitely come to the right channel. Today, we're doing an unboxing for our February company, Ferocious Beard Co. So, stay tuned through the intro. Alright guys, welcome back. So today, like I said in the beginning, unboxing for our February 2022 company, Ferocious Beard Company. Now they are based out of Texas, and this is what we have. So we're gonna get into this, see what we get to use for the month of February. If you're unfamiliar with Year of the Beard, 12 months, 12 companies. Each company gets their own month, and for the month of February, it's Ferocious. Anything in this package is the only products that are gonna go in my beard for the entire month of February. So, I don't feel like trying to rip this, so let's go with our Victorinox Classic SD. I did a video of this review. I'll put a card up top, you can go check that out. So let's get in here. All right, we got that. Now, first thing I see, look at that koozie. Oils, balms, and wax, Ferocious Beard, 100% natural, made in the USA. All right, let's not look at products. Let's get it all unwrapped. I don't even know what all we have. I looked at the website briefly, but I did not do any kind of research on scents. So bear with me. Bubble wrap is tough sometimes. I may be wrong, but you guys that do reviews, let me know. Bubble wrap is always harder to get into when you're doing it on camera. I don't know why. All right, so let's get our trash put up. What do we have here? All right, so we've got a business card. Check out our business card there. We've got a sticker. Ferocious Beard Co. Great beards are ferocious. We have a big sticker. And what? Oh, I'm dropping stickers. All right, so what do we have here? All right, my name is Nate Powell, and I am the owner of Ferocious Beard Co. I'm not going to read this whole letter. I'm going to try to summarize it. My primary goal is to assist you with growing the healthiest beard possible by creating products that consistently work for you and your beard. Thank you very much for placing an order with Ferocious. It's my sincere hope that my Ferocious products exceed your beard grooming needs now and into the future. Military and veteran discount, so they do offer that. And they do have a mobile app that you can get over and download a mobile app. So, warm regards, Nate Powell, the owner. So, nice little letter. Let's check out these products. So we have a 2022 beard butter, 2 ounce in a black tub. We have Magic Mist leave-in conditioner and instant moisturizer. That's a big bottle there. It's 8 ounces. We have 2022 in oil. And no scent profile on that, so I'm going to be guessing. And we have orange cream pop in oil as well. So, let's just go with this one first. So we've got orange cream pop, fresh orange, smooth vanilla. Ingredients: jojoba, sunflower, apricot, sweet almond, and castor oils, essential and/or fragrance oil for scent. Live life ferociously. There we go. So let's give it a shake. All right, so we got, oh, it's almost a clear oil. Pulls up about half a dropper. Oh, man. That is orangey, citrusy goodness. I get a little bit of vanilla in there. Oh, that smells really, really good. All right, what we have next. 2022 Positive Energy. So ingredients: jojoba, sunflower, apricot, sweet almond, castor oils, and essential and or fragrance oils for scent. So let's see what this one is. Pretty much a clear oil, got a little yellow hue to it. Ooh, that's different. I'm not sure what I'm picking up. It's very subtle in the bottle, but it smells good. I get something sweet, but I can't tell what it is. Let's see if I can tell anything different with the butter. All right, so we're sealed up here. Well, not coming off in one piece. All right, now. Okay, it's just like the oil. Oh, that is creamy. If the camera will let me show you, look at that. I can't tell what I'm picking up. That's bothering me too. I can tell you it's very subtle. So we're gonna do some digging, and when we come back for an update, I will let you know what the scent is. I like it. It smells good. I just don't know what it is. My nose isn't picking it up. All right, so what is Magic Mist Leave-In Conditioner Instant Moisturizer for beard and hair. Shake well, spray onto dry or damp beard or hair, comb or brush. Do not spray in your eyes. Let's see what it smells like. All right. Ooh. That is, this really smells unscented from here. Very subtle. So I'm gonna guess that you can wear this with anything. So we're gonna do a little more digging on that as well. But just from looking at the consistency in here, look at this. Look at that. Oh yeah. So make sure you stay tuned through the month of February to check out all these videos. We're gonna have, looks like, probably 4 update videos that we're gonna have this month to talk about these products, so make sure to stay tuned for those. And yeah, until next time, stay bearded, get outdoors, and God bless.